If you've ever wondered if you can charge your EV at home, we're going to discuss your options in this video.
We will also quickly discuss how long it takes and what equipment you might need to charge at home.
So if you're curious about home charging, stay tuned.
Welcome to our channel. I'm Steve and this is Katie. We have owned 4 EVs and have grown to love the EV lifestyle.
On our channel, we share EV road trips, tow our Airstream with electric trucks, and share a little bit about what it's like living with an EV.
If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you never miss one of our adventures.
But for now, let's chat about charging at home.
The answer is yes, you can charge your EV at home. It's one of the big advantages of owning an EV.
Instead of having to visit gas stations, you can charge your car from the comfort of home, and it's often much cheaper than gas. But there are a few basic things you should know about charging at home. You can charge on any existing wall outlet.
If you have electricity running to your home, you can charge an EV there. If you drive less than 30 miles a day, you will easily be able to charge on a wall outlet overnight and keep your car topped off. A wall outlet will add 2 to 3 miles per hour of charging.
If you don't do much driving on the weekends, your car will have the chance to fully charge, which may allow you to catch up from the week, even if you drive a little over 30 miles per day. And you can always visit a fast charger occasionally if needed to catch up.
You can fully charge overnight with the right equipment.
If you travel more than 30 miles a day, you should probably consider installing a higher amp outlet for faster charging. A 50 amp outlet, also called a 1450 outlet, will add about 30 or 40 miles per hour of charging.
If you have an RV and have a 50 amp outlet installed at your home, you can use that 50 amp outlet to charge your vehicle overnight. If you don't have a 50 amp outlet, an electrician can usually install one easily. If your home is capable of supporting a 50 amp outlet, the cost is usually around $500 to $1,000 to have it installed. If you have an older electrical system, the cost may be more. You don't have to buy special equipment to charge at home. Your vehicle may come with a travel charger that can be used to charge daily at home. If you choose, that's all you need to charge your vehicle.
But you can purchase aftermarket home chargers that will increase the convenience of charging at home. They often include cord storage options, charge scheduling, and may even track your charge costs based on the energy you use. These chargers don't make your car charge any faster, they just add convenience.
There are a wide range of home chargers available on websites like Amazon. We've linked our favorites in the description.
That's a quick rundown of charging at home. Let us know in the comments what questions you have about EV ownership.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.